me study from South Africa. Rulani Mokwena, Omamano 4 years extension. Bepese Varas, Mami Rulani Mokwena, the statement from South African club, Mamelodi Sundowns, as the reason why they did that. Now, young man, we Rulani Mokwena, but Mami Wenanka. No, Varas, me per statement from the club extending his contract. Now, club no, I extend the contract. Club not extend the contract. Would me trust whatever. Club not extend the contract to 4 years. Now this young man, 33 years. But I gotta say, Uyi Wale Rigag, Pito Misima Wale Rigag, he's the third big thing when it comes to coaching Africa. Now, yes, don't forget this young man, or by us, an assistant and co-coach for Mangobi Makiti. Peter O'Connor, Mangobi Makiti was more senior, and I'm Edino Etu, Rulani Mokwena name. And this season we in October last year, almost said they got to the quarterfinals of the CAF Champions League. They pay their standard, and now elevate way assistant no, and be a head coach. And Mangobi Makiti be senior assistant 1, and Steve Confella be senior assistant 2. Don't forget all the 3 of them are head coaches. Before they were head coaches before,
yes.
So 3 head coaches in 1. And the Mango Makiti ne. Now Rulani Mokwena, man the Jumano, or no football no ni or see or believe say, oh yeah player, the demands on you is 200%, 100%. Say or pesa ye women are so kunhuna ye on pe so makaza wati bre. Or the coach who believes in a fast say, we a player, you don't play one position. We a player. Without the ball, or here on chain with the ball. One said Peter Shaolin need a crab baller, and crab they are defending.
Yes.
He also is the type of coach. What he does is simple: open more sessions with players, more 3 training sessions a day. Beyond that, what he also does is that, the type of easy video footages, at their training players are there a lot of times, pre-arranged tactical sessions. The reason is that Emma. Players don't earn who a kind of person upon the bono and where all of them will fit. And German opportunity, no. And this season, the first season is this season. This season, no, what they decided to do was to make sure say Sundowns be a more expansive football than last year. Beautiful football. Don't forget Ona no Patrice Motsepe. That is what he like. Don't enter now Yadi Barcelona bar South Africa, no.
Yes.
He like beautiful football with results. Until now from the Brazilians, no, good. And the only by he decided that last year they thought that Mangobi air ball too compact to do. And yet, by you saw it this season. He's been phenomenal. 30 matches, oh boy, he's lost only 2 games, 121, drawn 7. That's an incredible player. In fact, El Quarry 2015, 2016, 71 point record now. Pito he equaled that record. And this season, beyond that, he got to the semi-final of the Champions League. And he, unfortunately, semi-final champion one lose, he drew 2-2 at home. And so to Tlapo Mochepe, now move at Tlapo into so. Still, me who statement no Tlapo. So this is Tlapo Mochepe. Now, my
doesn't work hard, but on top of that, he is talented. He does have the ability to be a great coach, but he doesn't take that for granted. And that's why I believe he's such a great fit for a club like Mamelodi Sundowns, because our motto says that the sky is the limit. And we want to provide that opportunity to all people who come into this football club, that if you're here and you work hard enough, there shouldn't be a limit to what you can achieve. We have a leader on the pitch who matches our philosophy. He's daring, he's bold, he's committed, but more than anything, he wants to inspire through his.
That is the culture of Sundowns. And the new CEO. Don't forget, say, where Dr. Patrice Motsepe Bao. Patrice Motsepe and running club Nubium because you're president. Neba Tlapo is a lesson. Neba and running club no without see any difference in Papa Akolano. Neba young man, he's the one running the club. He's the one taking the decisions at this entire. Now, and the challenge for him now is say Papa no Kazem Tlapo say no 4 years no obeson more glories, obeson more memories, obeson more trophies for the club. That is why he said that standard for him. Or no responding no or can say I promise you, Mr. President, I will give you the trophies. I'll give you the trophies you want. But the most important trophy they won now is the Champions League, which he's not been able to deliver to them. He only did very well by going to the semi-final. Ceciano, fortunately for him, he doesn't have any player living. Saw Tom or players, so he has the liberty to do that. But the squad that won them the semi-final of the berth of the Champions League, the same squad is there. So this is a young man. Look, this young man Slapway, an example to so many young, including Atapoku, who is in club administration, that the father would leave Sundowns for him, and he's running Sundowns as if or running simple. No. Professionally taking the right. Look, the decision said Osisa Mangobi Makoti di Webano. That was his first test, too. Or passing is simple. Or from when look at the young man. Or from when they meet your guidance, this is what they want to do. Then now I said no, the young man at our point to a year there. So me man of 4 years, send a there will be stability in the team. It's a good thing. And I wish Mokwena, like I said, for me, I see him as somebody who is 33 years and what he's doing at his age with this team. Come next year, me assure said the only thing is the how to shut shop in certain matches. Champions League and bono expansive sir. Matches be always up on the time kakra. Me problem no. Because Bosanka or work free mo. I was semi-final. Only above beautiful football too, man. So yes, that's the only problem. But apart from that, now Yanko Wimbledon. For 86 years, Robinson Barley Water and Aspazenga are major sponsors for 86 years. Those were Wimbledon are the second major Grand Slam in tennis. First one in Australia, second Wimbledon. This time around, though, for 86 years, sponsors see Robinson. 86 years, Robinson they are by where?
86 years.
Now, we are Sika. Barclays at the 20 million pounds of Fibiaba. 20 million pounds a year. Now, among the branding opportunities I'm pay baby a very sensational show. And why baby umpires no be fan say tennis referee. Baby umpires no aha. And empire baby omo umpires no generally edi share and making sure omo di tennis she share ni mra so players no this so course in, out, ball, making sure say the right call with the support of Hawkeye electronic machine. Now, I have baby Robinson boys are back with my ball. But the home say in Tadia empires no share no. Any Hano, Nina bear backlist. 18 empires and official to Wimbledon. 18 empires almost tired no backlist for her. Aside backlist for her, no better on backlist say a war baby Robinson a war no. Now beyond that, near almost yen say baby players no omo ball depend number of set on ball and games on ball some 3 games no more chance kakra the towel people money sweat no there's a player seat I had no backlist and a ball yes once Robinson backlist and a ball as part of the branding. Now center court here Wimbledon no center court the honor defending champion about first match or center court. The ritual of the tournament. And now other top players about center court, not other courts. Because the honor said being paying for na kudam eba show. And also ombe brandy hall. Then beyond the ombe kreti near friend the fan zone. Fan zone baby ebia woni kremo enemy yebeko yes say kwakwo tennis. Nemu yebenya kwenya say ye need tennis players no ebedinkomo. And see that. And you only Novak Beshia, we are fan. Not the Komokakra. Yes, and only branded backlist or one more. A part of the package because 20 million pounds is the most expensive ever tennis sponsorship of Kenya. Then beyond that, more the clubhouse. The clubhouse session, so yeah, baby, Mobaba, say be a players no free inside the bar. Oh, how about me who say players no bar? Say Empire no didn't come be now shout here. About me who say Empire no so air shouty. So it's a total wonderful package that they brought now. And Barclays, the only say Francis Tiofi, a Sierra Leone immigrant, or your ambassador for this year.
Yeah.
And as part of the fun experience, no, only Francis Tiofi bet me about tennis. Only bet me Yankita. He is there purposely throughout the tournament, so onye days of bottom am wan ko bomacha or hoba say on share the experience as an immigrant from Africa, Sierra Leone no our do US say no boy US no on share that experience or ambassador for the tournament on share that experience with you, that wonderful man France Tiofi, a Sierra Leonean migrant to US and back. So they say what's your experience with you. So when he does that, then you have the filter, the total package of 20 million pounds that Barclays is bringing now. Unfortunately, Spasenga, Robinson, Ballywater off. Now Senegal. Before I go Senegal, I use the time kakraka Amazulu, Akofa Pablo Franco. Now I'm serious. There is a Amazulu enye Mamelodi Sundowns. Amazulu nye Kaizachi or Orlando Pirates. But Akofa coach Hetafe da. A young talented coach have Hetafe. Then he also coach Madrid, an assistant to Julian Lopetegui. He's the new coach for Amazulu. And so one will level Laomoko. If an assistant coach of Real Madrid can go and coach Amazulu, that is not even a third force, not a fourth force. It shows the caliber of standard that they are setting in the PSL. Now Senegal. The problem we have in Nepal, Senegal, Oman Giants and Funa Mampenyo Malik saw Edina. And Tokwana is Senegal. It's continuing terribly. Nipa 30 as at this one, Nipa 30 newu. Wanjaya person Minkuminyana. All the achievement of Senegal Enya during this period, the AFCON, CHAN, under 20, under 17, Emawafo, beach soccer. Nyomenye nyina no se papai anyi ni nyina ho. As we speak now, it's going to affect their league. Almost suspend league matches because of that in Senegal. Because of it. Osman Sonko, opposition leader. Wakochi ose Oma ya chinetum afimienu because we there. Ose wa corrupt youth no. Sebi nyansan bi enim e man tokwa the supporters etiesi pakusu etiesi a friend is saying street so say niema police force were kuomo, and sometimes you wonder whether our politicians have conscience and wisdom. So nia wo benye nti nia Senegal achieving football and see that on any other African country. Because who pay to me again 2 terms will be up. Who no be we say pay 3 terms. I ain't see that in the history of Senegal. And it's here.
Never calls an angel crowd.
On my all of a sudden the Sadio money. Any Yusuf Undo you'll be a or you nick a seer or Senegal. And I'm the man no to my boy and patch or say, yeah, Pablo, wait dear, Adabraka, President Ade.
I mean, look
at what is happening to this beautiful country in Africa. How can the most successful African country in football, the year under review, it is Senegal. But young Crawford,
Chance na yenye over.
What is it? By young Crawford, politicians, Crawford. Saw him somewhere. Politicians. Oh, politicians. Politicians. Oh, Master Jai. Bebre say na omo before mo ba power. Ohun omo ne omo ba power, ohun difference.
O ze bi eno ya brabo na kan ko. Akona nim ti na ne.
Akona nim. Sir, listen. Why we need 2 terms? They microphone the 2 more 2 terms. Wait we. Ade na unkwa in the history of unkwa petetem. Enunti abuwe nipa ewu no you don't care 30 people who have lost their lives. Because of one compass and minkuminyanti. I mean, there is a problem Africa is facing, especially a part of West Africa. People are dying because of Tumi. And country way now, successful, how successful they are. Our football money, even Marble.